Zombie Apocalypse.
Hello guys, what's up? Jirax TV here. Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So for today's video guys is meron na naman akong i-share sa inyo na isang earning site guys na pwede nating pagkakitaan online guys, no. So South32 yung pangalan guys. So kung gusto niyo itong subukan guys ay ilagay ko na lamang yung link dyan na nasa ating description box at pin comment. So i-click nyo na lang yan para makapag-register na kayo, no. So ito yung mga products nila guys, products ni South32. So hanggang product 7. So may primary, may intermediate, may advanced. So dito sa primary guys, so yan, so yung investment price na guys is 418. So 83 pesos daily income. So yung income days niya guys is 60 days. So and guys, so hindi naman natin alam kung aabot ba to ng 60 days, no. So dito naman sa product 2, so day income 378 araw-araw, then income days is 58 days. Then yung total revenue niya guys is 21,924, no. So yung investment price niya is 2,000. So ayan, so sariling decision nyo ba kung mag-invest pa kayo dito. So invest at your own risk, do your own research, invest only what you can afford to lose. So ayan guys, no. So dito sa intermediate guys, so hanggang BAP 7 guys, so hanggang 7 siya. So katulad din siya ni primary guys, no. So ayan guys, so kung mag-invest ka dito ng 210, then yung 210 mo kinabukasan guys in just one day is magiging 315, no. So yan, so bago pa lang to guys, bagong labas pa lang to, no. So may magkahawig to guys, may magkaparehang guys platform na Oyala at saka Lending Club at Morgan Stanley guys, no. So kamukang kamuka sila nitong application na to guys. So hanggang ngayon guys si Morgan Stanley is paying pa naman, no. So kung gusto niyo mag-invest dito guys, so do your own research na lang guys. So invest at your own risk. Yan, so ito yung mga nila. So dito naman sa pinakahuli guys, yung investment price niya guys is 100,000. Then income days is 3 days. Then day income 100,000. Yan, so day income. So magiging 100,000 mo magiging 300,000 sa loob ng 3 days, no. So ayan. So yung in-invest mo guys, dito mapupunta sa earnings. Yan, dito mapupunta yung ina-invest mo. So dito tayo sa team guys, so click natin itong team. So ayan guys, so kapag nag-invite ka nga dito guys, no, pwede ka nga kumita ng extra guys. So kung gusto mo mag-invite guys, so i-click nyo lang itong copy and share, then mag-invite ka, so i-copy mo lang and share, i-share mo sa mga kaibigan mo guys and sa social media para kumita ka ng extra guys. So ito yung invitation instruction nila guys, so basahin nyo lang yan. So dito naman tayo sa mine guys. So ayan, so may deposit, may withdraw guys. So kung gusto mo mag-deposit, so click na natin tong deposit. So ayan, yung minimum deposit dito guys is 100 up to 100,000. So ayan, mamili ka lang dyan kung anong gusto nyo i-invest. So invest at your own risk. So kung gusto mo 418 guys, so i-click nyo lang 418, click nyo lang yan, then to deposit kung gusto nyo mag-deposit guys. So sa pag-withdraw naman guys, so mag-add ka lang muna dito ng bank account guys. So i-click lang natin yan. So ayan guys, so kung wala pa kang bank account guys, so click nyo lang tong add new bank account. So ayan guys, ilagay mo lang dito yung Gcash name mo at saka Gcash number, then yung withdrawal password guys. So yung withdrawal password guys is kapag nag sign up ka guys at nag-login, so may magpapap up agad na withdrawal password doon, then dito mo siya ilagay. So magkaiba yung login password at saka withdrawal password guys. itong withdrawal password guys is gagamitin natin to sa pag-withdraw guys, no. So kapag nalagay nyo na yung withdrawal password guys, so save bank account guys, para may bank account na kayo. So withdraw naman, so i-click natin itong withdraw. So ayan, so enter ka lang ng amount, minimum 200. So ayan, up to 50,000 yung max. The daily withdrawal time is from 9 AM to 10 PM guys. So 4% of the withdrawal amount will be charged as tax for each withdrawal. So may kaltas na 4%. In order to facilitate financial settlement, you can only apply for cash withdrawal 1 times a day. So sa isang araw lang tayo pwedeng makapag-withdraw dito guys, no, sa kanilang earning site na si South32. So kung may 200 ka na guys, so pwede mo na siyang i-withdraw, no. So enter ka lang dito ng 200, then yung withdrawal password mo, then withdraw. So ayan, so hintayin nyo lang niya na pumasok sa inyong GCash account, no. So ayan, so home tayo, no? So ayan guys, kung gusto nyo mag-join sa kanilang Telegram channel guys, no, para malaman yung mga update, so i-click nyo lang tong view in Telegram channel. So latest announcement, latest benefits, latest events, treasure chest case, ayan, no. So may free to guys na 5 daily sign in, no, 5 pesos araw-araw guys. So saan nga ba makikita? So i-click natin tong plus sign. So ayan, so may daily check-in, so i-click natin daily check-in. So ayan, so nakakuha na ako dito guys ng 5 pesos. So natanggap ko na siya guys. So ayan, 15 akong balance guys, kasi may 10 pesos kagad guys ng libre. So ibali guys, may app pala to guys, no. Kung gusto nyo mag-app guys, so i-download nyo lang. So may dark mode, ayan guys, no. So before kayo mag-invest guys, paalala lang, so invest at your own risk, do your own research, invest only what you can afford to lose. So dito na nagtatapos ang ating video guys, no. Kung hindi pa po kayo nakapag-subscribe sa aking channel guys, please subscribe na, and don't forget to click the notification bell para lagi kang updated sa ating mga susunod na video na i-upload, no. So yan, that's all for today's video. So thank you for watching. See you again on my next video. Peace out.